Hello there, welcome back to Do Art Now. In today's video, we're going to draw a popular pet that's a cat. So let's get started. Initially, we're going to start finding the shape of the cat. The head is round, followed by triangular ears. In this process, make sure you don't press the pencil too hard because it's going to create an imprint on the paper. Keep it light. Again, few triangles on either side to indicate the cheeks. These shapes are references so that we can draw a better artwork. And the body is going to be an oval shape, followed by rectangular legs. So these shapes we're going to erase a little bit, and over this we're going to create the real artwork. And going around making the tail. So right now we did the nose, a small triangle, and the eyes, a circle. Great job! Now we're going to erase it slightly so that we can work over our shape that we drew. Now we're going to darken it. We're going to start with the ears, moving up, giving it a little more definition, little curves here and there. You can follow along, and if you find I'm fast, you can pause the video and do it at your pace. So while you draw, I'm going to share with you a few fun facts so that you can learn while you draw. We're going to continue drawing the inner part of the ear, moving down to touch the bottom part just like that. Hey, did you know that cats can sleep about 16 hours a day? Interesting. For the cheeks, we're going to create few hairs sticking out, and that's the reason why I drew a triangle over there, and that's going to define the face of the cat. One interesting fact about cats is that they can't taste sweetness. Interesting. Moving on to create the bottom part of the face, we're going to create a curved line followed by a triangular nose. That cute little nose. Great job. Hey, did you know that cat's nose print is very unique? Each cat has its own unique nose print, just like human fingerprints. Moving down to draw the eyes, the bottom part, we're going to start with a curved line followed by a shape of an N. Cats can make around 20 different types of sounds. Nice. Moving on, we're going to create a small W to create the part of the mouth, followed by a shape of a U to create the part of the mouth that's open. Now I've filled the eyes with black color, and then I'm creating the sparkles of the eyes. The sparkle of the eyes is mostly a bigger white circle followed by two smaller circle on the other side. You can follow along. Hey, the cats can jump 6 times their body length. Wow. Moving on, we're going to create the eyelashes of the cat. Moving on, we're going to create the chest, few hairs sticking out, and going down to create the tummy and the leg. We're going to use these shapes that we drew to give us reference to create a much more impactful artwork. Hey, did you know that male cats are called toms and the female cats are called queens? Moving on, we're going to create the rear side of the leg with the profile of the thigh and moving up all the way to the tail. Again, moving on to draw the rear side of the other leg. Good job. I can imagine you're doing a fabulous work. Moving on, we're creating the back side of the cat. And all the way going up to create the fluffy tail with few hairs sticking out, just like that. Great! Looking good. Hey, here's another fun fact. The oldest non-pet cat was found in a 9,500-year-old grave. Wow! Moving on, we're going to create the paws or the toes with three lines. Next, I'm going to quickly create the hatching effects. I'm going a little fast. So this is a process that if you wish to do, you can do it, else you can leave it flat. Hey, if you're enjoying the artwork, make sure you like it, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So next we're going to move forward doing the color process. So for that, I'm going to take up light brown color. You can be creative and choose the color of your choice, but make sure you follow the principle where we draw the outer edge first and then start filling the color inside to have a better coloring process for the artwork. Hey, did you know that cats can jump up to 6 times their body length? Interesting. And moving on to color the face. Hey, a cat's sense of smell is 14 times stronger than of a human's. I'm picking up yellow color to color the inner part of the ears, the chest hair and the tummy. Moving on, I'm going to create the shadow effects, picking up a darker brown. I'm moving up the process of coloring a little faster. A cat's brain is 90% similar to a human brain. Wow! Hey, did you know that the cat uses its whisker to measure whether it can pass through a space or not? Next, we're going to create some textures on the hair with a darker brown, in my case. And this coloring effect actually brings life to the whole artwork. Wow, looking cute. Guys, make sure you share your artwork on my Instagram page. I would like to feature it. Hey, here's a fun fact. Male cats are called Tom, female cats are called queens. So finishing it with a highlight of white. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with another artwork soon. Till then, take care and bye.